This 2011 Lincoln MKX is offered to you for sale by Bob Utter Ford. This beautiful red candy metallic MKX could pass as new. Fully loaded with nice leather interior, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seats, heated and cooled seats, automatic start, wood grain trim, sink, and so much more. There is still plenty of tread left on the tires. The paint has a showroom shine. 100% auto check guaranteed. The interior of this vehicle is virtually flawless. The 2011 Lincoln MKX, the perfect blend of daily driver and family hauler. View all our inventory at www.bobutterford.com or www.bobutterkia.com. Call or email Terry Irby, Internet Relations Manager. Follow us on Facebook,